Uploading regular GIFs directly to your Instagram account isn't possible. However, GIFs in video format can be uploaded without any issues, and we'll show you how. And stay with us until the end for a bonus tip on collaborating on Instagram posts. The first method involves using the Giphy app. You'll need to install the app, open it, and log in. Within the app, tap the magnifying glass-shaped button on the bottom toolbar, then enter keywords to search for your desired GIFs. Choose your GIFs, and select the Instagram logo icon from the sharing menu. Next, choose the feed option to upload your GIFs as an Instagram post. Edit the video to your liking, tap the right arrow icon to proceed, and complete the process by tapping the share button on the new reel screen. Your Giphy GIFs will now be on your Instagram account as a video. For a manual approach, you can use GIFs to video conversion. Download a converter app, such as GIFs to video, from your app store. Open the app, grant the necessary permissions, choose your source, and select your GIFs. Initiate the conversion process and access sharing options. As before, choose feed to upload the converted GIFs. Edit your video until you're satisfied, proceed with the right arrow icon, and finalize your post by tapping the share button on the new reel screen. You can also add GIFs to your Instagram stories by downloading Gboard. Navigate to Settings, then to General. Click on Keyboard, choose Add New Keyboard, and select Gboard. Now open Instagram, start your story, and select a photo from your gallery. Press the text button in the top right, access the emoji section, and pick a GIF from the toolbar. Choose the GIF you want, upload it to your story, adjust its position, and share it. Another approach is using Giphy Stickers. Access the Instagram camera by swiping right, then open the gallery at the bottom left and choose your images. Tap the stickers icon, select the GIF sticker category, and choose your desired GIFs from Giphy Stickers. Edit to your liking, and once you're finished, tap Next and click the Share button. And as a token of appreciation for staying with us until the end, here's how to create a collaborative post on Instagram. Before sharing the post, select Tag People from the menu, then click Invite Collaborator. Find the person you want to collaborate with, adjust the tag's position, and click the Share button. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, visit our complete playlist of Instagram tutorials.